won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today I've got a new watch from wish.com. It's a Nevis watch. It's a quartz Japanese movement, as they state. I'm not sure if this is original or not, because they retail for about £80. This was £30, and I have seen them on Amazon for about that price as well, so maybe this is original, but looks nice anyway. And they do look they look the same as the ones that are online. So there's a little second hand down the bottom there, and then it has different flags going all around the outside there. You can see that's your clock at the top there. Doesn't have anything stamped on there. It does have the model number on the back. Nevis, stainless steel quartz. If you look up that model number online, you can see them up for sale for around about £80. There was some on the sale for £50, so we were paid £30 for this. It's probably around the right price, really. Quite light, but the strap is like the scuba, which I do like. There's nothing printed on there. That was nice with those flags. They do blue one as well, but I think the white stands out quite well. Time now, and as you can see there's the Nevis sign on the top, face, different style of casing to other watches I've had off there. It's nice and clear and crisp. So no movement obviously on the bezel, because there's not really a turning bezel, but it's quite a nice style of watch. Sports style watch. Try the lumen on it, see if we can get that to work. Now, as you should see, the hands have quite a nice lumen on them, illumination. I've put that on in the light for about 20 seconds, and that does work quite well. So for £35 delivered, it's not a bad watch. If you want something bright that looks a bit different, then you should go for the Nevis. So I've just been looking online, and I noticed at the 3 marker there is a date. And I was just checking to make sure this had it, and it does, so I think this probably is an original item. So state quartz movement, which is this one, and it does have the date in there as well, so it is quite a nice watch. Thanks for watching, and come back for more Wish reviews soon.